Living on a low income can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's talk about budgeting effectively so you can stretch your dollars further. First, understand your financial situation. Know what you earn and where it goes. Track your income and expenses, separating needs from wants. Needs are essentials like rent and groceries. Wants are the extras. Next, create a budget that works for you. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. If money is tight, focus on cutting back on those wants. Small changes like brewing coffee at home can save you big bucks. Shop smart. Look for discounts and consider generic brands. Now, let's build an emergency fund, even if it's just a little at a time. Start small. Even $10 a week can add up over time. If your income isn't enough, explore side hustles or freelance work. There are plenty of ways to earn extra cash without a full-time job. Avoid impulse buys by planning your purchases ahead of time. Stick to a shopping list and resist the urge to splurge. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about smart choices. Stay patient and committed to your budget for long-term stability. Keep pushing forward. Financial freedom is a journey, not a sprint. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more.